Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust permissions on your Google Pixel 10 Pro. To adjust permissions, you should go to the settings, then go to apps, of course. So let's get to apps. The apps are gonna be right here, and now you can go to I don't see it, so let's go here. Now select an app of which you'd like to adjust permissions. You can go to, for example, let's go to Google Chrome, permissions, and now you can see what's not allowed and what's allowed. And if I want to allow something like, for example, nearby devices, then I can click on allow, and if I want to disallow something, and then I can click on it, click on don't allow. You'll see how it is being moved. Now also, if you'd like to, for example, adjust, instead of adjusting like it for every app, you'd like to, for example, revoke permissions, one permission for all the apps, like for example the camera. Let's go to camera, click on see all apps with this permission, and then allowed only while in use, allowed all the time, and not allowed. And now you can select what will be allowed and what not. So I'll allow you the camera, for example, for the Google Chrome. And now you can see it is in allowed section. So this is how it works. Unfortunately, I was unable to find the option to like see all the permissions in one list for whatever reason. So if you want to adjust some certain permission, you just need to first go to any app, then go to permissions, and then go to see all apps with this permission, and then you can adjust it. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.